Today we will create a simple AR project in Unity 3D, and first of all we will open Unity Hub and then create a new project, and then we will name our project as AR demo project and make sure that 3D option is selected and then create the project. To make an AR project we need AR camera, so we will go to the game object section and see AR camera is not listed here, so we will go to the Vuforia and we will download the Vuforia plugin to make an AR app, and we will download the Vuforia package, and I've already downloaded it, so I will simply drag it to my Unity to assets folder. Now it will ask you to update the Vuforia engine, so update it, and now you can see that the Vuforia engine is listed under the game object section. Now you can simply import the AR camera and delete this main camera. Now we need a Vuforia license key, so we will go to the Vuforia site again and we will generate a license key for our project. And for that you have to log in the Vuforia engine and then click on the license manager and then go to the get development key, and you can give name to your license whatever you want, and I'm giving here name AR demo project, and after that you can simply click on confirm, and the key will be generated, and you can click on the AR demo project and you will see that the Vuforia has generated a key for you, and you have to just copy it from here. Go to Unity game engine and find Vuforia configuration, and you can see here is the Vuforia engine configuration, and paste that key over here. Now we need an image target so that we can project a virtual object on that, and for that we have to go again to the Vuforia and select target manager and then add database. Now you have to give some name, as I am giving here. I will write a demo image and select it type device because we want to create an app. Create, and then go to the demo image, and now add target, and you can now select the image from your system on which you want to project virtual object. So here I have selected the image. Now mention the size of your physical image. If your image has size 10 centimeter, then you have to just write 0.1 meter and then add target, and you can see the error has occurred. Now we will copy this error and paste it over there, and this error has occurred because it doesn't allow this image type, so we have to convert our image to 24-bit PNG, and we will select the output format and then select your image. My image name is letter H, and then I will generate and download it. After that I will rename it as letter H.png. I will remove 24 and I will save it again, and now I can simply add this target to my Vuforia, and now if I will again select this image, it will accept this and it will generate the database, and we will download this database and select the option Unity editor and download it, and then drag this downloaded package to the assets folder and import it. Now we'll have to add a game object, and we'll have to add a image target which is listed under the Vuforia engine. You have to select the type from database, and then the database name is demo image. Now you can see this image target in the Unity scene, and now we have to import a 3D object on which we want to project on our image target, and we are importing here a sphere. So now its size is too large, so we have to adjust the size of the sphere according to our needs. So in Unity 1 unit is equals to 1 meter in physical world, so we have to make changes accordingly. Now we have to create a material that we can improve the appearance of our virtual object, and where I've given a random name to our material, and then I need an image, so I'm just taking a random image, and you can choose anyone, and then drag this image to the albedo option of the material, and then select this material and drag it to the virtual object, and then save your scene. Make sure every time you make changes, just save it so that you won't lose your work, and give the file scene name, anything, whatever you want, and save it, and then go to the. Now I want to tell you one thing, that if you want to track more than one object at the same time and make changes according to your need, so I'm not changing anything here because I want to track only one object, and I will just show you how will it look. You have to press this play button, and you will see that your webcam will turn on, and you can see as I put image, target image in front of my webcam, projects the virtual object. So this is the all thing. Now save the scene, and now go to the build settings, because we want to make an Android app, and select Android and then switch platform. So after that you have to make some changes in the settings. Go to player settings, and then you can just put icon for your app, and you can put an image here which you want to make icon of your app, and then you can change the package name according to your need, and then don't make any other changes, just keep it default, and close this setting and click on build, and it will create an app for you. Just save it.